Hi guys, my name is Gua. Welcome to this channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to screen record on your Android phone. So let's get straight into the video. Screen recording is used to directly capture what you're actually doing on your screen. You can share that screen record with anyone, and it is very convenient and very neat. Let's get started. To start screen recording, you first have to pull down the notification bar from your phone. You swipe left to where you actually see this icon here, voice screen recording. This is where you actually tap for you to start your screen recording process. This voice screen recording means that it's actually capturing what's happening on your screen, and at the same time it can record whatever voice or sound is at the background. Or if you want, for example, to do a voiceover, after clicking on it, it will ask you whether you want to record it as a silent screen recording or a voice screen recording. So a silent screen recording means that you're only going to record what's happening on your screen. You cannot record your audio or any background noise. But a voice screen recording allows you to record what's happening on your screen, and at the same time you can do a voiceover or even record background noise if you want that to happen. Having done that, you can do anything on your phone and it will all be captured on that screen recording, and we can test it. So I'm still operating my phone. I can go to any app that I want to. Let's go to Facebook. You can open Facebook. You can do anything anywhere that you want to. You can go anywhere on your phone. You can access your. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let's see each other on the next one.